Unlock the power to build breathtaking websites without touching a line of code, all with Webflow. Today, we're demystifying Webflow, breaking down its core concepts so you can finally understand how this incredible platform works, even if you're a complete beginner. The heart of Webflow is its visual editor. Often called the designer, think of it as your digital canvas instead of writing code. You're directly manipulating elements on the screen. Here, you can add pre-built elements like headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, and even complex navigation menus, all by dragging and dropping them onto your page. The Navigator, usually on the left, acts like an outline of your page. It shows you how all your elements are structured, making it easy to select, rearrange, and understand the relationships between them. And then there's the Style panel. This is where you control the look and feel of everything. You can adjust fonts, colors, sizes, spacing, and create stunning visual effects all visually, without code. Webflow uses a system called classes. Think of them as reusable style guides. Apply a class to one element, and you can instantly update its appearance across your entire site. It's a game changer for consistency and efficiency. But Webflow isn't just about static pages with its interactions panel. You can bring your designs to life, create smooth animations for scrolling, hovering, clicking, making your website dynamic and engaging. From simple landing pages to complex e-commerce sites, Webflow empowers you to build exactly what you envision. It's about understanding the visual language of design and web structure. And Webflow translates that directly into a beautiful, functional website. So dive in, experiment, and gain the confidence to bring your web design ideas to reality with Webflow.